Hello, I'm Dr. Shirley Malka from Lechaimkids and Empowered Jewish Parenting. One of the parenting principles that everybody agrees on is if you tell a child you're going to withhold some benefit or give a consequence to a behavior that is not okay for you, you absolutely must keep your word. There's nothing that destroys a child's respect than a parent who doesn't follow through on something that they've told the child they're going to do. I'm not saying threaten, but if it happens that you do, and which of us don't, even if you regret it, you must give that particular consequence that you wish you'd never told them about. That is more important than showing them that you're not a woman of your word. Now, many of my clients tell me they know this, but they can't help themselves. If you feel this too, please click the link below to find out more about how to overcome these kinds of obstacles.